The 225-foot digital wireless transmitter SKU 44209 was designed for reliability and simple operation. They plug into any device that has an RCA connection. They are 100% weatherproof and have a digital range of 225 feet. The setup is easy. Connect the transmitter and receiver to the camera and monitor. Plug them both into 12 volts and you're good to go. Though they can be left outside, many of our customers tuck them away in places like cabinets. Their operating temperatures ranges between an incredible negative 40 degrees to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, they are designed to pop on when you go in reverse or stay on 24/7. Perfect for security when you're parked. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!